Epic, I'd like to ask you, Anil, as a Congress spokesperson here today, what is your observation of that audio recording?
See, firstly, in case if this is the whole story what you've been showcasing now, if it is true, we have to really condemn, one. And the second thing is, what I personally see here is like, why media houses are going on personal levels, which I personally feel it is not my party stand. I'm questioning.
Can you
from
give me an
my
example?
Side. See, for example, like, affair of some TV channels shows his personal life. Why should they get into the personal life of someone?
We're talking about a public servant.
No. Of course. See, everyone, even the.
No, but I'd like
one
you
second.
to stick to an
no.
issue.
I'll tell you. I'll come back to you. No. I'm not diverting. I'm not diverting.
Then if I get down to what politicians do, it'll be terrible.
No.
So
see, I am condemning. First point is, in case if the story what you're showing, if it is true, we have to really, look into this matter very seriously. The JDS has to look into this matter very seriously. I'm again and again, I'm repeating it, as a responsible citizen, at the same time having the highest respect to our fourth pillar of our democracy, so-called as journalism. Second point, I personally feel somewhere like, media houses are going above to an extent of getting into the personalization. Coming back to your point, even the person who is actually an auto driver is also a public servant. Right? So at the same time, we need to have certain limitations. One, I'll just give you. It is not about your channel specifically.
We're not talking about an auto driver. Anil, please do not deviate because we don't have all the time in the world. I'd like you to get down to this.
No, as I already said.
As a capacity of an MLC, you think his ploy to frame somebody like a media house, keeping a media house aside. Imagine if he has the audacity to do this to TV9. What audacity he has to do it with number of them outside. How many of the cases are pending? Do you know that?
Absolutely
no.
The
cases pending against him. So for us to carry about the cases pending against this man is getting into his personal life.
No.
Would you not want to know as a citizen of Bengaluru what he's up to?
No.
About who's elected and nominated?
I think you're mixing two points.
I think you're just doing that.
No. I'll come back. I'll repeat it again.
Let's get to the point.
Mr. Ramesh Gowda, whatever he has done at this particular instance, in case if it is true, it has to be condemned. One, at the same time, I personally feel like, I'll just give you an instance which is not about your particular channel. One of the channels recently had shown breaking news, as she was also mentioning and he was also mentioning, like, what is that, like, Yediyurappa is going to take the oath in next 24 hours. Like, one of the person called and asked the TV channel, where is this oath ceremony, oathing ceremony is happening? Please tell us, we are a BJP Karyakartas, we wanted to go and join. Literally, there is no answer. So just for the breaking news, if we are trying to show, people will, not be very interested in.
Can I give you a classic example of how politicians mess up? Kempe Gowda awards that happened recently. All of your Congress politicians came out and said each one of them is going to get 10,000 rupees, 15,000 rupees in all of their accounts, just to publicize and make it sound that Congress is amazing and they're just on point and they're in place and they're so fabulous and they're the new government. Not 1 rupee has come into anybody's accounts. So are you lying to please people to get votes?
What I am saying is,
are you lying to please people to get votes?
What I am saying is,
every person
I would request.
Every person makes a mistake. If there's an information, I'm sure it was not on our channel.
I'll tell you.
I'm sure it was not on our channel.
I'll tell you.
If there is an information as a media channel that's come out, it could be a mistake and nobody is denying that.
There is no doubt about it. What I am personally saying is, I'm not actually, I'm just trying to give you the information which I have seen and which I've been seeing.
Precisely, Anil, but like I said, we don't have all the time in the world. You're deviating. I'd like you to get to the point.
I'm not deviating. I'm coming back to the subject. I'll tell you, what he rightly said is, he could have behaved in a better manner to ensure that this issue is getting resolved in a better way. In case if it is not true, if it is true, then he could have came here and spoken to you or probably the editor and asked what is the evidence that you have. At the same time, like, in case if it is true, then you can keep on, showing that particular, because he is a responsible citizen who is in council.
That's exactly what I'm trying to ask you. For us to carry a segment like that, you think we
no, of course you
must
have done your homework. I'm
exactly.
not denying it. I'm not denying it. What I would say is, like, you can't clap from one hand. At the same time, like, at the same time when he had come, and in case if that person who had come here used the phone trick, whatever he said, It is.
That's
It is
exactly
something.
what
It is
that's what I'm
something.
saying.
It is something. I'll tell you. See, if you could, I'll just give you a small glimpse about what the kind of journalism that I had understood and have seen in the past. I had heard this story from one of my a known guru in my political career. In 1980s, if a journalist go and talks to any politician about personal, and if the journalist manager or the CEO get to know that he's been closely associated, he could have been removed immediately. In the sense, if he is very closely associated with the minister or the CM, he could have not given the better stories. So what I'm saying is those journalism is totally different, and today's what the journalism we are seeing is totally different. One, at the same time, when I'm talking about 50 lakhs allegation, what he is making from the phone conversation or whatever it is, just imagine how this idea arrived. If the-
Here you're talking about journalism being diluted and whatnot.
No, you have to-
While as a politician, I would say the image of politicians has been
Absolutely.
dirty. It's still dirty. Have you, as a new politician, as a budding politician, done anything to change the image of a politician? No. Have we done something to make sure that journalism is not looked upon with a
I'm not telling
with
they're in the
a
right
biased
direction,
eye?
only in a
Yes,
media.
we are.
No. Politics
No,
is in the
but
wrong
let's get
direction.
to the point. Adil.
Journalism is in a wrong direction. We have
getting
to get
to the
on
point, I think
See, end
we
of the day,
as
we have
TV9
to
are
ensure
in the
that we are
right
here for the
direction,
public
because if
service.
there is any